Morning routine after 60, 1-minute habits that change everything. Imagine waking up every single morning with a calm mind, light body, and a heart full of energy, no matter your age. Now imagine, just 1 minute, yes, only 1 minute every morning could transform how your body feels, how your brain works, and how your day unfolds. This isn't a fantasy. This is the quiet, powerful secret of some of the world's healthiest and happiest people over 60. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a morning routine after 60 that doesn't need expensive gyms, complicated diets, or endless effort. All it takes is 1 mindful minute at a time. The first 60 seconds how you wake up matters. The way you start your day isn't just a small detail. It's a message to your body, a signal to your brain. For most people after 60, mornings can feel stiff, slow, or even painful. But here's the truth. The first 60 seconds after waking up can completely shift how the rest of your day feels. This moment, often ignored, is your greatest chance to set the tone for energy, focus, and balance throughout the day. So what should you do? Before rushing to stand, pause. Place 1 hand on your chest, 1 on your stomach, and take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Hold it gently, and release through your mouth. This 1 breath calms your nervous system and reduces the morning surge of stress hormones. It's simple, it's free, and it works. Step 1. Gentle activation, 1-minute stretching ritual. After 60, your muscles and joints need time to wake up just like you do. The worst thing you can do is jump out of bed and start moving abruptly. That's why gentle activation is key. Here's a powerful 1-minute habit. Sit at the edge of your bed. Roll your shoulders backward in slow circles. Gently turn your neck side to side. Stretch your arms upward like you're reaching for the sun. Flex your toes and rotate your ankles slowly. These small fluid motions lubricate your joints, boost blood flow, and prepare your body for balance and movement. You'll be amazed how different your day feels when you start it with softness instead of strain. Remember, consistency beats intensity. 1 minute every morning is far more valuable than doing nothing for weeks and pushing hard one day. Step 2. Hydration before stimulation. Many people over 60 reach straight for coffee or tea the moment they wake up. But your body has just gone through 6 to 8 hours without water. That means your blood is slightly thicker, your joints are a little drier, and your energy is lower. The smartest move you can make? Water before caffeine. Place a glass of water next to your bed every night. As soon as you finish your morning breath and stretch, drink slowly. Not a full bottle at once, just a gentle glass. This simple act rehydrates your cells, boosts digestion, and wakes up your organs naturally. Bonus tip. Adding a few drops of lemon or a pinch of Himalayan salt can support electrolyte balance and digestion. Think of it as a morning shower for your insides. Step 3. Sunlight is your secret medicine. Do you know what controls your body's internal clock? Light. And for people over 60, morning sunlight isn't just nice, it's vital. When natural light hits your eyes and skin, your brain releases serotonin, a chemical that boosts mood, energy, and focus. It also sets your circadian rhythm, helping you sleep better at night. So here's the 1-minute habit. The moment you've hydrated, open a window or step outside. Breathe in the morning air. Look toward the sky, not directly at the sun, and allow the light to reach your eyes. This tiny act helps balance hormones like cortisol and melatonin, stabilize blood pressure, improve mood and cognitive clarity, strengthen your immune rhythm. Even just 60 seconds of light exposure can make a measurable difference over time. Step 4. A mindful minute. The stillness habit. Most people think energy comes from movement. But true, sustainable energy, especially after 60, comes from calm. One of the most powerful habits you can adopt is what I call the stillness minute. You don't need to meditate like a monk or sit for hours. All you need is 1 focused minute to connect your breath and your thoughts. Here's how. Sit comfortably or stand near a window. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it gently for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Repeat this for just 1 minute. This simple breathing pattern activates your parasympathetic nervous system, lowering stress hormones, stabilizing blood pressure, and sharpening mental clarity. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just return to the breath. Over time, this 1-minute habit creates a